Have you ever wondered what it would be like to own and drive a new TR4? Since that is not possible, consider this 1963 example, as it is one of the finest restored TR4s available today, finished appropriately in British racing green and with an interior in black with correct white piping. It is the purest example of the original Michelotti design. The previous owner commissioned Automotive Artistry of Ohio to perform a no-expense spared restoration on a solid, rust-free, previously unrestored candidate. Rare for a Triumph TR4 to be treated to such a level of detail. The body and frame finish is impeccable, and the driving experience is as it should be. The 2138cc OHV 4-cylinder motor and 4-speed gearbox were rebuilt using new components and performed by a marquee specialist. A new wiring harness was installed and upgraded to 12 volts. The driving experience is that of a new Triumph TR4, and one might say it is better than new. A test drive before purchase by interested parties will confirm that. You will be impressed with its rack and pinion steering, smooth power delivery, precise gear change, and surprisingly rattle-free driving experience. Could this be your opportunity to own that new TR4 you admired in years past? We think so. For more details on this vehicle or similar, please visit huntingridgemotors.com.